Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Kasey Marie if you are new here. If not, welcome back. I am doing a one brand tutorial today on NYX. I've never really used their stuff before besides some other primers, and I do really love those, so I am pretty excited about this to show you guys this tutorial. Who's texting me? I'm really excited to show you guys this tutorial. And I used pretty much everything on my face besides lashes, mascara, and my brows. But primer, setting spray, contouring, foundation, lips, eyeshadow, glitters, everything else is, oh, and highlighter, because I couldn't find like a good highlighter. It was like all iridescent, so it was weird, and I wasn't looking. I'm like not into iridescent looks anyways, not the point. This is a one brand tutorial, and I would love it for you if you kept on watching. And just while you're here and while you're watching, you might as well subscribe to my channel before you leave, and don't forget to hit that bell as well. Don't forget to hit the bell so you guys can be notified of when I am going to be doing my future videos. As well, don't mind my pink eye. I just poked myself in the eye with my mascara. It looks like my husband farted on my pillow. Oh well. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. Good things about it. So this is the primer we're going to be using for our one brand tutorial. So I honestly don't like to use much drugstore. I mean, I use some drugstore foundations, which I love, that I've loved recently, like the Maybelline Fit Me, the Maybelline Superstay. You guys have seen me use that before, but I feel like I don't really love using a lot of the time drugstore products because I feel like sometimes they're not the best, because I end up spending more money trying to figure out stuff that I like, and I don't end up liking it. So that's where I'm at. But NYX is more of like a drugstore that is pretty affordable, but it's like a professional drugstore, if that makes any sense. Like, that's how I feel. I haven't used much of NYX products before. I actually don't think I've used anything but the Honey Do Me Up from NYX before. So, oh, I think I might have, no, yeah, I haven't used it before. Maybe like the eyeliner. But this Angel Bone makes your face feel really nice. It's like very smooth, silicone-y, pretty white. Did that drop it like they do on Instagram? Looking a little sexy. Oh, there we go. There's like a good drop going. Then I'm just going to use my beauty blender. Dude, this is pale as fuck. Is it going to work? So then I'm going to go in with this one right here. And I'm just going to put this in my, as like a transition shade. And then I'll do the same thing. These are going on really smooth and not like patchy or anything, so that is always a good thing. And then for the next shade, I'm going to go in and use this one right here. Actually, no, strike. This one right here.
Okay, it's on the beat.
That. Now I'm going to go in with the NYX lip liner called Sandstorm. This is my
Okay, it's on the beat.
NYX matte lipstick in Honeymoon. It's like the perfect nude. It's cute. Last but not least, this is the NYX Lingerie Liply, let's see. And I'm just gonna put that over. This one's a little too light. I thought that was more like a gloss. so that is the whole tutorial for today. I had so much fun making this video. I thought it was fun doing one brand, so I think I'm going to keep on doing that. I thought it was fun just to see the gist of how all their things work together. Sometimes when you get like a foundation or whatever, you kind of want to use their primer because it's made for their foundation. So I kind of like using all their products to see how it all well works together because that's how it's formulated for. So I did really love doing this one brand. Please give it a thumbs up if you loved it too. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you can see future notifications of mine. So yeah. I know you didn't watch this whole video and still haven't subscribed, so please don't forget to subscribe. And see you guys next time.